Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming ports and powering devices so the signal can flow. This saves time troubleshooting later. Once the monitor is powered and the input matches the cable, plug the cable into the PC and monitor firmly. Make sure Windows recognizes a physical connection. If you use an adapter, pick an active one for legacy ports. You're focused on establishing a stable hardware link before opening settings, because software steps depend on a clean physical connection. Next, open Settings, go to System and Display, and let Windows show your screens. Click Detect if the second monitor doesn't appear. Once visible, choose Extend to expand your workspace or Duplicate to mirror. Pick the resolution and scaling matching each monitor for sharp text. Drag the display rectangles to match physical placement so the cursor flows naturally. Set the primary display if you want taskbar and start on one screen. These choices control how Windows uses both. Finally, apply settings and verify the refresh rate in advanced display settings for smooth motion. Make sure resolutions match recommended values. If the monitor stays blank or flickers, swap the cable or port and restart the PC. Make sure connectors are secure. You can press Windows plus Control plus Shift plus B to restart the graphics driver for a quick recovery. If problems persist, open Device Manager to update or roll back display adapters, because driver mismatches are the common cause.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.